All right. Good morning, Megan. How are you today?
Good, and you, sir?
I'm pretty good too. Thanks for asking. Thank you for
Well,
connecting this morning for our week 2, day 2 class. And as usual, we will take the present, which is today, Wednesday, the 10th, for Megan, one. Then he has allow him to be off today. So we give you credit to Daniel. Then after that, we go to the prayer. Let me pray today for us, right? Yesterday
I
we
can pray.
awesome, wonderful. Go ahead. I like that. Go ahead.
Yeah. Dear Lord, we thank you for the opportunity to gather today. Please grant us wisdom, patience, and understanding as we collaborate. Guide our conversations and decisions, and help us to be respectful and supportive of one another. May our time together be productive and our actions bring you honor. In your name we pray. Amen.
Okay. Thank you. Very powerful prayer. Okay. I think other part I said the camera is on. We are all connected. The name are there. Uh, we just go to what are we going to cover today, which is day 2. We're going to cover the internet web browser and Google search. Those are application software. Remember yesterday, we started the application and then we study, software or application. We study application software and system software. So now we're going to focus on examples of application software because that is what we use the most. And we said application software is a program that helps the user of the computer to execute specific tasks. So we're going to review some of them and see the specific tasks that each program help us to accomplish on the computer as a user. So the first one will be internet browser versus Google search to see the difference between the two. Then teleconferencing software, example, Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Google, and so on. And we will talk about device driver, computer driver, remote control software, cloud computing. We define them an example, then test of their knowledge. So that's what we're going to cover today in 2 hours. And before that, as usual, we're going to review the day, week 2, day 1 course that we did yesterday, and then correct the quiz and the homework if you were able to do them. So, quick review. What did we study yesterday? Based on your note, based on watching the recording, what did we study yesterday? Or what did we talk about yesterday?
So we talked about yesterday is computer software.
Yes, that's correct. So,
And
what is computer software?
so computer software is a set of instructions that guides the computer.
Yes, that guide the computer, that tell the hardware what to do, how to do it, and when to do the task. Correct. What else?
Software give life to the computer
Yes. Why do we say software give life to the computer?
because if we don't have software, then the computer won't work.
That's correct. The hardware alone cannot work. For the hardware to work, we need program called software. That's correct. What else? What are the type of the group of software we studied yesterday?
Uh, Application software and system software.
Wonderful, wonderful. Example of system software.
Um, s- System software.
Yeah. Or if you want to start with application software, that's still fine. Example of application software.
Application software are the programs that help the
user of computer.
the user of the computer.
Yeah.
User of the computer.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, finished.
All right. User of computer to do what?
To help the programs.
Yes, to program. Generally, we just say to execute specific task on the computer. Good. What are the example of system software?
System software. Sir, I don't have that.
Okay. System software. Remember the check your note where you take the note on the computer. I show the image where you have operating software and utility software. And we see as example as a system software, operating software, which is part of the system software, and also utility software. We saw like Microsoft Windows. We saw also, we study also Linux and Mac OS. Then now utility software, which is still part of system software, we study McAfee, for instance, that we use to protect our computer against the malwares or viruses. Those are the men that we studied yesterday, all right?
Okay,
So,
application software, system software.
yes, system software. And you have the example of system software. If you check your note, I'm sure I asked you to take those notes yesterday, what you did. Now, let's talk about the week 2, day 1 quiz and homework. Were you able to do them and submit?
Yes.
Awesome. Okay, let's go and check in here. Week 2. Okay, week 2, day 1
Day
quiz.
1 quiz.
Yeah, we have this one, computer.
Wait, what about the other students? Why aren't they coming here?
Okay.
The other students, why aren't they coming to the class?
No, I told you Daniel excused himself today. Mommy excused himself today. So the other student, they are traveling. Like I told their mom, I can't take them because I want somebody who will start the program and graduate. When you are traveling, you are not stable. And I want people who will start, be focused and graduate like you and Daniel so far, okay?
Yeah.
Now, I see here 3 responses. Let me see. This one is 1. Okay. Then Megan, yeah, I see your on. Over here is 01. Very good. Thank you for submitting. So you have 5 points out of 10. We will see where do you miss it and how we can correct it. All right. Now, the first question here is computer software is not a set of instruction that tells the hardware what to do, how to do, and when to do a task on a computer. Why did you put true here? Remember the definition that you wrote down. Software is a set of application, set of instruction that tells the computer what to do. So here the answer is what?
I put false because hardware tells the hardware.
No, software tells the hardware.
Then why does it say hardware and tell the hardware?
No.
I put false.
Yeah.
It says computer software is not a set of. Oh, that's
Good. So now you see where the tricky question part of the question, right? So it is not, which is wrong. It is. So basically, the answer here is false. Take note of that. That's the right answer. Then now you get the second one correct. A computer doesn't need a software to work. That's false. You got it right. That's good. Now there are two main types of computer software. Select them. Okay, you have application software and system software. So these are the two: application software and system software. So they give credit on application software, but normally it had to be two answers, which is fine also. Now here you miss it. Let's see why. Application software help the user to perform specific tasks. We agree on that. The following are application software except. So within the list, you will have only one that is not application software. MS is application software because we use it to create document. WordPad, we use it to create documents, so it's application software. Oracle is database, we use it to create database application software. Same here on Publisher. And Chrome, Firefox, Safari, McAfee is also utility software, which is not application software. So the right answer here is McAfee. McAfee is utility software, which belongs to system software. Okay? So take note of that. The right answer here is K for McAfee, which is antivirus that you install on your computer to avoid viruses affecting your computer and destroying your computer. This one, you got it right. The answer is Oracle. Oracle is not a program software. System software is a program that control computer hardware. That's true. The following are system software, except you got it right. No, Microsoft Suite Pack is a set of operation software that are select all that apply. Yes, Microsoft Word, Excel, all of them are part of it. So that's correct. And Q7 dash uses row and column to present data and can execute basic calculation. Remember when we were talking about database Excel, I told you Excel, take note, this one will come. So the right answer here is Excel. They say it uses row and column. Let me show it to you. You see here?
Yes, sir.
Now, this is what they call row. That's a line in Excel sheet. This is row. This is another row that I'm selecting. Now, it uses row and column. The row are numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way down. Then column, these are column D, column E, column F. So it's a combination of column and row that made a PowerPoint an Excel sheet page. Now, to do calculation, like you see here, you have here, I enter 9, I put first equal sign, then I enter 9 plus 15, and I'll take the answer of 20. I obtain the answer of 24, which is using Excel to do calculation. Okay. That's a concrete example. So basically, the answer here is not PowerPoint, but it's MS Excel. This is the right answer here. Excel. You get this one. You got this one right. Microsoft Outlook, correct? We're good on that. Then a computer programmer is a collection of instructions that tell the computer what to do. Read again the sentence, and you will discover why you miss it. A computer programmer is a collection of instructions that tell the computer what to do. What's the right answer? False, right? So why is it false? Why is it false when you read the sentence?
Oh. It's false because a computer programmer doesn't.
Yeah, it's a programmer. A programmer is a person like you and I. So that's the tricky part of the question. It's the programmer, not the program. So there is a difference between the programmer and the program. The programmer is the person who writes the program. So we cannot call a programmer a collection of instructions. That's why it's a false, okay? Now, this one, a code is not a line of instruction written for hardware to read and is not a store and is not stored in a file. This answer is false because the code or program is effectively a line of instruction that the programmer writes and store it in a file. So here, the right answer is false, which is the last one. And you have 50% of the answer. Let me update your file for week 2, day 2. Over here, Megan, week 2, day 1. Okay, so because of the participation, we give you 3 points. Okay, make it 8. Okay. Because you did the job, which is what we want, participation to be active. So I'll give you 8. Then now let's go see what you did for the homework. Now, another advice I will give you, when you are at home, always go back to the video. Then also to watch, or you can use the Google. You know Google search, right? If you tap in the sentence, you tap in a Google search, that it will tell you if that answer is true or false. But the good way to do it, because you are learning, is to go back to the video and pay attention. I mean, revisit the video to get the knowledge, all right? And you should be good. So here it's not in here. It hasn't yet submitted. Let's go to see what you did with the homework. Week 2, day 1 quiz. Week 2, day 1 homework. Okay. Okay, we have 2 answers here. Let me see who are in. Individual. Okay, this 01. All these are 01. So you were not able to do this one, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, go ahead and do it right away so that we can grade it and continue, okay? I'll give you about 10 minutes to do it. All right.
All right.
So go to Google Classroom. I'll give you 10, 15 minutes maximum. You take care of that for us, and then we continue, okay?
Okay.
Go ahead. Go to the classroom. Do it and submit. When you finish, let me know, okay? I'm here.
I finished.
Wonderful, wonderful. I appreciate that. Now, let's go to, congratulations for that. Let's go to week 1, day 2 quiz. You missed that one too, so that you can complete it. That one will take about 5 minutes. Yeah, I received this one. You just submit now. Congratulations. So now go to week 1, day 2 quiz and complete that one, and you will have everything done so that we can correct them and continue with the class. Okay.
Okay.
Week 1, day 2 quiz. That's the only one you are missing now. Hello, Megan.
I don't know what happened.
That's fine. That's fine. Just continue the week 1 day 2 quiz and submit. Okay.
Sir, I am done.
Awesome, wonderful. Now, you submitted, you click on submit.
Yes, sir.
Awesome, very good, very good. Now, I just checked the week 2, day 1 homework, and it looks pretty good. Okay, I just received the form. So you name, let's correct it, right? Because that's what I have here. Week 2, day 1 homework that you submitted earlier too. Looks good. Word processing, Microsoft Word, yeah, web browser. We are asking for 5 application computer software. There are a Zoom graphic editor that you listed. That's good. Then the next one, 5 system software. Remember, system software, we say that's the one taking care of the hardware so that they can, other program can work on it, can function. And you have operating system software that are Microsoft Windows. You have multiple versions. Then Linux, which is an open version, that means you can buy it online and change it as a way and install it in your computer. It works. And Mac OS, which is for Apple computer only. So those are the 3 operating system software. Then you have also now the operating system for mobile device, iOS and Android. So we got this one correct. Now, another system software is what we call utility software. That's McAfee, and I see it here. You mentioned it. That's an example for antivirus. So we're good on that one too. Over here, no, last question. Select one of the system software, application software, and tell us about between application software and system software, correct? Which one is important for you? And you say system software, which is absolutely right. Because remember, before you install any application software on your computer, you need first to start by installing the system software. Correct. You need one to start with that. So your answer is perfect. Very good. So you have 15 over here on this one. Congratulations on that. That's week 2, day 1 homework. Week 2, day 1. Let me add 15 points here to the quiz we had here. So you have 23. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Now, let's go back to week 2, day 1 quiz that you just submit so that we can see how we did on that one. Week 2, day 1 quiz, right?
Yes, sir.
That's the one we're going to correct. Week 1, day 2 quiz. Week 1, day 2. Week 1, because you did the other one, week 1, day 2. Week 1, day 2 quiz. Okay, with this one. Let's go here. Then response, individual. See, Megan, good. Oh, wonderful. 10 out of 10. That's great. So nothing to say. So just congrats. Let me update your file over here. Week 1. Week 1, day 2. That's over here. Then Megan, case. Awesome. That's good job, baby. All right, 25. So You are on good track now. Take a 5-minute break, then come now. We continue with the lecture, okay?
Okay, sir. And
Awesome.
when do we end?
1 o'clock. You have a volleyball today?
I have dance.
You have dance?
It's at 3 p.m. though.
Oh, so we finish 1 o'clock today, so we have time to get ready before 3 p.m., okay? Thank you. Take 5-minute break and come back.
Okay.
All right, let's go to today's one of the today's topic to talk about internet browser versus Google search. Okay, we have 2 videos for that, and then
Okay,
we start. Go ahead.
I have a dollar coin.
That's good.
It's rare.
It's really, really rare. We know about
Yeah.
quarter, but not dollar. Dollar is rare. Okay. One video and then a 1A. Okay. Take note, right? Write it down. Internet browser versus versus Google search. Internet browser versus Google search. So what's the difference between the two? You ready? You ready to take note? Awesome. Let's go. Write it down. What is a web browser? That's here on the caption here. On the caption, what is a web browser?
Done.
Okay, so now let's take the definition.
How much do they sell dollar coins?
Yeah, keep it down. We talk about it later, okay?
Okay.
Pay attention here, please. Okay. First of all, write this one down too. Search engine, as you can see on your caption, right here, search engine is a website that is used to search the internet. Then we will go back to define what is web browser, okay? And I will give you some examples. Search engine is a website that is used to search the internet. You good?
Yes, sir.
No, thank you. Example, write down example of search engine, just example of search engine. I'll give you some of them. You write down. Google search, that's the first one. First example, Google search. After Google search, you have age. That's age. E, go ahead. E, D, G for girl, and E for Edward. That's the second example. Age.
E D
E, D,
D
G,
G.
E. After
Oh,
G,
yeah.
you have E.
Oh.
Good. So you have that one. You have also another one, but let's start with those two because those are most popular that we have as search engine. So the search engine help you to search all over the internet. So that means if you click on Google search, it will give you like here. Let do it. Before we go back to the video, you see the Google search. That's Google search right here, and it's telling me ask Google. I'm trying. I want to locate Altoz Institute on internet.
Okay.
Altoz Institute page. Okay.
Okay.
Now I tap in the search area Altoz Institute, and when I click enter, the Google will search all over the internet to find Altoz Institute, and then the result of the search effectively is showing here Altoz Institute. Okay, profile.
Okay.
There is a noise, please. What's that? Okay, so the result shows me Altoz Institute logo here, Altoz Institute name over here, and so on. All the information that they found on internet, and also the most importantly, it found your website. That's me on Altoz Institute website. So Google search helped me to find an information on different pages. So now let's go back to the video to see what internet browser is. Okay.
Okay.
That's it. Write it down. The web browser, different from search engine, is a program on your computer that allows you to visit website.
The what?
Web browser, you have it on the caption.
It
That's it right there.
says instead a web browser is a
Uh-huh.
program on your
Yes,
computer that
yes,
allows. Okay.
yes. Start from here. Start from here. A web browser. Forget about instead. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's the definition of web browser. To make the difference between web browser and a search engine. I remember there are seen example of application software. You go? No, let's see.
I'm almost done.
Okay, good.
Finished.
Awesome. Let's continue and see example of a web browser. Write it down. Example of a web browser. Example of web browser. Now, remember we said it's a program installed on your computer. That means, first of all, you need to install the web browser on your computer. Now, when you install it on your computer, if it's this old one, Internet Explorer or Google Chrome or Safari, you will see this logo representing that Internet browser on your computer. How to use it, you click on that logo and it opens the window with the search bar where you enter the web address that you want to visit. So that means you know it before. You enter that, you tap that web address in the search bar like here, click enter on your keyboard, then it will take you directly to that particular internet page, okay?
Okay.
Okay, write them down. These are the example of web browser. Firefox, Safari, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer. Those are the example of web browser.
Okay, sir. Finished.
Very good. So to wrap up on this one, what is the difference between search engine and web browser?
Okay. Search engine is a website to search the internet, while a web browser is a program on your computer that allows you to visit websites.
Yes, a particular website. That's correct. Okay, let's go to the next topic. Which is teleconferencing, or which is teleconferencing. What's teleconferencing? It's a website. Remember, what are we still talking about? Application software, right?
Yes,
All
sir.
these we are studying here are multiple examples of application software. Don't forget. And then we studied yesterday and even this morning, recalling that application software is a program that enables the computer user, which is who you and I, to execute a specific, remember that word, specific task on the computer. Now, if I want to search all over the internet, which is a specific task that I want to accomplish, what do I need? I need a search engine program. We have Google search, we have Bing, we have Edge. That was the example. Now, if I want a specific task of searching a one particular website that I know already on the website, I have the address or URL that I want to access that. I will need an internet, a web browser. And when it's installed on my computer, I click on the logo, it will open me the search bar, and I tap that URL or that website address in there, click enter, and it will take me directly to that page. That's one example. Specific task now for the teleconferencing is having a meeting, having a classroom, like now, without being in the same place. Without being in the same place. That's the particular task you want to use, you want to execute on the computer. And for that to happen, we need application software. And we have multiple of them. And the big name is teleconferencing software. You have Zoom, you have Microsoft Team, Google Meet, Microsoft, TeamViewer, WebEx, and so on. So right now, the topic is teleconferencing software. And write the example though, as you see here. When you finish, let me know. We'll play the video. Teleconferencing software. You list down the example and then we play the video to learn more.
Do I write?
Yes, right.
I write what?
Teleconferencing software.
Tele?
Yeah, that's it right here. That we see on the page here. Look at here, right here. Yeah. Teleconferencing software. And an example, you have the examples right there. You write everything down?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, write also the definition down. Teleconferencing software is used to organize online meeting. Let me tab it here for you. They are used to organize remote or online meeting. Write it down. They are used to organize remote or online meeting.
Okay.
You go? Now, we saw, okay, go ahead.
Okay, finished.
Very good. Next one is now, before we play the video, next one, okay, let's play the video and conclude that one. Video number 2, teleconference software. It's a short one too. Even if it's too much, we're going to cut it about 2 minutes just for you to have a understanding of it. Okay. You ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, write it down. The best video conferencing software. Let me roll back. In this video, we will look at the best conferencing
We
software.
have to write the best video. What happens if it's not the best video?
Yeah, because you have multiple of them, but among those multiple, you have more than, let's say, 50. But among the 50, I want you to learn only the best, which are 7 of them. All right?
Okay.
Yeah, that's why best is very important. And basically, you will just write down the name, and I will give you generally what are the common features. And we experience this right now in class, as you can see. You ready? Okay, that's it right here. The best video conferencing platform available on the market. And then the video, we start listing them now. Write it down. That's the first one. Ring Central MVP. That's the first best conferencing software. Overall, right, all of them offer you the video. Good. All of them that will be mentioned offer you the possibility of video. Video is you can see me, I can see you, right? At the same time, for those teleconferencing, you can share the file during the conference with other people connected. Like now, I'm sharing my screen with you. If I want to share a file with you that is on my computer, I just need to click on share, get to my computer, and select the file, which is this one that I want to share with you, and click on it. You will be able to see it. All right? That is sharing. Then also, if I go in chat, on the chat box here, the chat box, I can send you a PDF, a Word document from my computer. So those are the options of sharing file, and all the teleconferences have that capability. So this is the first one. Let's get a little bit of knowledge of it. What is it, though, once we continue? So you hear what he said. When you are using this one, like Zoom also, you don't need to travel. Do you need to go from Missouri City, where you are, to Cary, where I am, to attend to the class? No, right? You don't need that because of Zoom that we are using. The same thing with Ring application too.
Do we need to write the caption, sir?
No. If I need you to write, I will let you know. Just listen to the content. Let me go to the second one so that
Why can't we hear it? Why can't we hear it?
You are not hearing it?
No.
Or can you hear it now?
No.
Are you hearing it? No? Okay, let me check something here. Oh, no. Sorry. Okay, let's go back all over.
Choosing the right video conferencing software is crucial if you want to improve team collaboration and boost productivity. From crystal clear HD video and screen sharing to efficient call management, the best video conferencing software can help you meet your goals. In this video, we'll look at the best video conferencing platforms available on the market. So let's get started. 1. RingCentral MVP.
You have that one already.
RingCentral MVP offers a comprehensive video conferencing solution designed to enhance productivity and reduce unnecessary travel. This cloud-based service is ideal for businesses facing the challenges of remote work and international operations. It allows team members to collaborate effectively, regardless of their location, using personal mobile.
Let's go to number 2. That's number 2 right here. Click meeting. You see it? Second example, write it down.
Is needed. 2. Click.
That's it. The number 2 bus teleconference software is Click Meeting. Okay, they have all the same feature. That means video, recording, and so on.
Click Meeting.
Let's go to the number 3.
Text or custom HTML to ensure participants are well-informed and prepared. Livestorm's all-in-one video conferencing platform is designed to elevate online meetings with exclusive promotion, engagement, and analytics features. The platform offers customization options for the meeting room, including file sharing and custom room designs, to create a unique and branded experience. Additionally, calendar integrations allow for easy scheduling and instant connection to meetings. The platform supports up to 25 simultaneous speakers, making it suitable for larger discussions and meetings. Its native integration with Miro whiteboards facilitates visual collaboration, further enhancing the meeting experience. Livestorm also excels in providing detailed analytics on event engagement.
Okay, write down this one, Livestorm. That's the name of the one that we are playing now, and then we move to the next video. You see here, Livestorm. That's the third example. So we have those 3. Write it down. Number 3, Livestorm. Just right here. That's it.
Do we write?
No, just the name of the application. Livestorm.
Okay, just Livestorm.
Yeah. Yes,
okay.
yes.
Do we write number 3, Livestorm?
Yeah, correct. Number 3, Livestorm.
Okay, then.
Good. Let's now talk about this important cloud computing. Cloud computing, this one. Write it down. That's new topic. You got it? Cloud computing?
Okay.
That's a new topic. All of them are still application software. All right?
But it just like subheading.
Yes, it's a subheading. That's right. So let me go to video number 4. so that we learn about cloud computing. But cloud computing, like the name says, is virtual computer. That means instead of using the physical computer, we are using the computer that IT Tech have created in the cloud or virtual environment, okay? So let's play the last one here.
Last one.
Cloud computing is a term.
Yeah, write down cloud computing, and then the definition is right here now. On this video, in this, you have cloud computing as a subheading, right?
Oh yeah, yes.
Good. Now let's see what is it.
Term that refers to the ability to access everything remotely on the internet instead of local.
Hold on. Let me put the caption. Let's go back.
Cloud computing is a term that refers to the ability to access everything remotely on the internet.
Okay. Cloud computing is the ability to access everything remotely on the internet. That's the definition, simple definition of cloud computing.
It was May 27th. Right now.
Okay.
Ability to access everything remotely on internet.
No. No, I just don't tell I didn't say it. No. She was like, if you want me, I forgot.
Thumbs up?
Yes.
Okay, good. Let's continue.
Instead of locally on your devices.
So we access everything remotely instead of locally on your device. That, like I told you, that what does that mean? Instead of going to your computer here, let me move you a little bit. This is my computer. I have all these files on my computer, right? If I want to have access or read this one, pay attention, please. You will play with the code after. If I want to access this document on my computer, I just use File Explorer. Are you with me? Okay. I use File Explorer, then go to Window, which is where I know my file is, and PC, Window, then Altoz again, computer, RT, Summer. Then this is the document I want to open. I have access to it where? On my computer. Okay? That is locally on my computer. But to access remotely a document, I need to use the remote device, the remote program. And in this case, we can use Google Drive. If you click here, new window, and those files are not on my computer. They are saved on the cloud. That means remotely, here in Drive. You see this? Google Drive. I click on it. Now I am not more on my computer. I am in the cloud, which is one of the application software that we use to store documents, item, video, and so on outside of my computer. To have access to it, I click on Drive, and it takes me to all the file that I have installed here. So instead of having them from my computer, I have access to them in the cloud where I have them. All right. So for instance, these are the pictures that are saved on my computer here. Instead of going through, that are saved on Google Drive, they are not on my computer. So I still have access to them distantly or remotely. Okay. So this is an example of application software for remote access. Google Drive is a storage application. Now let's continue. I hope I did not close. Okay, let's continue the video.
Everything you use, like mail, music, and video streaming apps, all have data that needs to be stored somewhere. That somewhere is really just a global network of computer clusters and servers. But the network of computer clusters doesn't quite have a ring to it, so we'll just call it the cloud.
Okay. So the cloud is what? Write it down. This is very important. The cloud is, let me go to caption here. That's it. The cloud is a network of computer clusters. That means a group of computers. That's why we call cloud. Cloud is the network of computer cluster. That means group of computer. Cluster means group. Okay. You ready? You have it? Okay, go ahead.
It doesn't quite have a ring to it, so we'll just call it the cloud. Here's a relatable example to help you understand. All of you are watching YouTube on some type of device, with most of you on your phones and computers, but even some on tablets and TVs. How many videos have you watched today? And more importantly, how many of my videos have you watched? If you've watched them all, first of all, thank you. But secondly, this means you've watched about 4 gigabytes worth of content. Without cloud computing, you would have to store these 4 gigabytes on your local device just to be able to watch them. Combine that with everything else you watch on YouTube, and your device would be full in no time. Thankfully, YouTube has cloud-based storage, which means that my 4 gigabytes of videos are stored somewhere far away in a large and expensive cluster of computers and put on display to the internet. YouTube stores these videos so you don't have to. Cloud computing isn't a single piece of technology. Instead, it's a system which is made up of 3 main types of services: software, platform, and infrastructure.
Very good. Write this down because you're going to come to the test, okay? So you're going to come to the test. Write it down. Cloud computing, computing is made of 3 systems. Cloud computing is made of 3 systems. Cloud system. Or cloud computing has 3 systems.
Okay.
The SAS, the PAS, and the IaaS.
Cloud computing
Yes. Has 3 systems.
has 3 systems.
Yes.
finished.
Okay, those three are SAS, PAS, and ERRS, and IaaS.
What? So what's the first one?
That's it on the computer, on the screen. SaaS, that's it on the screen.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, those are the three on the screen.
SAS, PAS. And what do they stand for?
Good. Software, software has as application. Put it down. Put the first one that I define it for you. SaaS equal. Software as a service. The first one. SaaS equal software as a service. You got it? Definition of SaaS equals software as a service. You have that one? Good. Now, PaaS stand for platform, or PaaS equal, write it down, platform as a service.
Right.
Okay, let me write it here for you so that you can get it. Equal platform as a service. Okay. You write it down. PaaS equal platform as a service.
It's just like saying, yeah, I know, you finished.
Then the last one is IaaS.
Okay.
IaaS stand for, I'm typing it for you, all right?
Yes, sir.
Infrastructure as a service. That's it right there.
Yeah, that's a bonus thing I don't do. I can't think of anything else. All right, yeah, tell us to you. All right, yeah, I want to tell you. So, did you finish that? I'm not reading the
I'm done.
Awesome.
Yep,
Okay.
done with that.
Awesome. So let's continue the video.
Software as a service represents online software applications that manage every service for you. Dropbox is a great example of this. All you
want to write down an example of software as a service? You have a Dropbox. You have a storage networking element of it.
I want to do it, but I feel guilty.
1:03 p.m.
Yes. We go. Let
All
go.
you have
Let's
to do
finish
is
this one.
purchase the software, and you can start uploading to the cloud. Dropbox handles everything. Platform as a service providers manage pretty much everything, but allow you to handle the applications and data. This makes it primarily used as a platform for software development. Heroku is the perfect example here. Developers are able to host their applications on the cloud without need to worry about anything except the development of the application. Lastly, infrastructure as a service is used when you want more flexibility than platform as a service and want to handle the middleware and operating system components as well. Some cloud providers only offer one of these three services, but larger cloud computing services like Google Cloud, Amazon Web Services, and Microsoft Azure offer options for all three types of services.
Okay, write it down. Example of a cloud computing company is Google, Amazon, and Azure.
I do.
Example of cloud computing companies are, this is Google.
Yes, I do. When we walked up, when we did the bounce off thing, I said, no, that's a single player machine.
This is Google, this is Amazon, and Azure.
No, I said that before. I'm like, yo.
What?
Google, let me tap it for you here. Oh, hold on. Okay, you see the three names?
Are they web services?
Yeah, they are cloud computing services.
Okay, cloud
Computing services like Google,
Yeah.
Cloud, then Amazon, Google Cloud.
Web
This is
services?
yeah, those are example of
Okay.
cloud computing web services. So you have Amazon and you have Google Cloud. That's the name on the caption.
Google Cloud,
Cloud,
Amazon Cloud.
Yes. Amazon Cloud, yeah. And then Microsoft Azure Cloud.
What? Amazon?
Amazon Web Service. Then Microsoft Azure.
Exact picture perfect scenario. Oh, you said trampoline. Now walk in to
And okay, I know.
Microsoft Azure, that's the last one.
Yeah.
Those are the three main companies. Cloud company that we have. You have too many of them, but those are the main. Okay. Google, Amazon, and Azure. Microsoft Azure.
Finished.
Awesome. So let's
All three
conclude the
types
video.
of services. This has been cloud computing in 2 minutes.
All right. Any question?
No,
No.
sir.
All right. So homework, week 2, day 2, quiz, and week 2, day 2, homework. Okay.
Okay.
That's what we got to submit before next class. Next class is next Tuesday morning at 11 o'clock. But submit before then. If you have no question, thank you for connecting today and participating actively. See you on next week. Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye.